Squeeze it, squeeze it. Okay, bring it home. Bingo! This is your first stump. I know that sounds suspect, but it is. She's got a really good hole going on here. This thing's got terrible rootage. Oh, she's starting to tangle with the roots. Oh, it's a big tree for a little tractor. You want to dig some more dirt away? Yeah, I know, but if you dig the dirt, I'll be able to see the root and put an axe through it.
Oh, okay.
I'll chop it, babe. It's okay. I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice. That's what we need to clear some dirt out so I can see what I'm gonna chop through. We don't have to make the little tractor work that hard. Holy cow, we're having a severe windstorm today.
Marable Ramblers were old and stupid, but very, very determined. It's really good for the heart, I've heard, to chop down trees.
I'm still hitting lots of wood. It's a big root. Grab it. Got her. Shit, I just caught the end of that. Now you got her. Grab her, babe, grab her. Oh! I'll get out of the way. Oh, okay, hang on. Get out of the way for a second.
No, I want to grab it.
Okay. Gentle.
You've met my parents. We don't do gentle.
Yes, you do. Oh, squeeze her, you got it. Bring it home. Look at the...
I have to give you rope.
Woohoo! You gotta squeeze that puppy. Yeah. I guess I gotta film a little straighter. Atta girl. Oh! Take it home. Nicely done.
Where are we putting it?
Put it over here, sure. Yeah, put it on top of here because I gotta chainsaw it up. That'll work good for me. Thank you. Can you grab that? Oh, hear that thunk? That is heavy, huh? Ugly. Sorry, buddy. They're being replaced. It happens to us all. Yeah. Oh. Anyways, we got way too much footage of digging up a frickin' stump. It's been a lot of fun though. Potatoes. Potatoes, carrots, peas. They're gonna be in here next year. We gotta clear the back a little bit more. Just this area.